Okay? Okay. So let's start today the first class of Managerial Accounting 2. Pehle you had 1. Now the chapter is subject is 2. And let's start with the 30-second meditation. Take off your specs. Close your eyes. Fold your hands. Concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks in gratitude for everything you've got in life. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind and you becoming stronger. Whatever we discussed today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands. Touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks, and open with gentle smiles. So that was a 30-second meditation. It helps to increase your concentration power, mind power. And I told you that CM square. CM square means C and M square. Concentration matters most. This is the only secrecy in life. The more you can concentrate, how much brilliant you are, doesn't matter if you cannot concentrate. It's the most important thing. And everybody does that. So increase the power of concentration, be ethical, and go ahead. It was very nice that I saw you all sitting in the exam hall and I was not helping anyone, but you are doing. Here I used to help, there you are writing yourself, and I was very happy to see that in the exam hall. That's whatever you are doing, but you are doing. You are engaged. That's a very nice thing. Okay. Yes. Record हो रहा है. You want to ask something? Okay, तो off कर दो. Pause कर. सुनो. तो Arjun was very much, nervous. क्या होगा? What will happen? All these things. Then Sri Krishna क्या बोला? You just do the work. You write over the work. And this is very much, misinterpreted by some people. What Lord Krishna said, other people misinterpreted. 2 years back, I was in an international conference of Bhagavad Gita in Kurukshetra University, and I said there, कि कर्माणि वाधिकारस्तु मा फलेषु कदाचन. What is the meaning? So someone in Hindi said, काम करो, फल का चिंता मत करो. बंगाल में बोलता है काज करे जाओ फलेर चिंता करियो ना. एसएमएच में बोलता है काम करे जाओ फलेर चिंता न करिबा. और इंग्लिश में बोलता है क्या? डू योर वर्क, डोंट थिंक ऑफ द रिजल्ट. दिस करेक्ट? यू हर्ड इट? एंड आई सेड दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. I told it in front of many people coming from different countries who are. I don't know anything about Bhagavad Gita and all. I know little bit only. But what I think purely, and I gave my logic. You are wrong. Whatever you are saying is 100% wrong. Then those big people all just say it. How do you say it is wrong? I mean, yes, you are wrong. You just show me where Lord Krishna said कि don't think of the result. कहाँ बोला है? So someone said, it's written here. कर्माणि वाधिकारस्तु मा फलेषु कदाचन. Is written there. As is not written there. As is not written there. Lord Krishna never said chinta na kartabbam. Followers chinta no kartabbam. Lord Krishna never said it. Never. You cannot show me. So how? But people are saying that in every language. In every language people are saying same thing in India and outside. And today I am also telling, Krishna never said don't think of the result. Because if you Krishna never said that, don't think of the result. You have to think of the result. You have to think of the result. Duryodhana did not think of the result. And what he did, what he got the result, no? Ultimately, he didn't think, whatever I am doing, all ethical, unethical. But you have to think. Then they said that in commerce, this Bhagavad Gita is not applicable. They said, some people said, commerce is different thing. You have to produce, you have to sell, you have to think for future, you have to make budget for future. So that Gita is not applicable. I said commerce is a very fraction of a dust only in comparison to Bhagavad Gita. In comparison to. And how can commerce be outside Bhagavad Gita? How dare commerce people say it's outside Bhagavad Gita? It's impossible. Then they said, but in commerce we make budget, we think of the result. I said, yes. Krishna also never said don't think of the result. Show me what Krishna said, Karmani vadikarastu ma phaleshu kadachana. He said, you have right over the work, you have no right over the result. He said that. He said, you have right to work, you have no right on the result. He said that. So, having right or not having right and thinking, it is not same thing. No? You can think, you don't have the right of the result, but you can think of the result. In a full sloka suno. Karmani vadikarastu ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalur hetu bhurmate sangushta karmani. It means, Lord Krishna said, Karmani vadikarastu. You have right over the work. So, you do the work. But you have no right over the result. Thinking this, don't get detached from the work. People keep on saying the detachment, Bhagavad Gita bolte detachment. Detachment from what? Many people say detachment. Gita said that. I said, from what? Not from the work, but from the result. We are students of accountancy, we understand which entry you have to give, where to put what. Lord Krishna never said detachment from everything, and we are wrongly taught all these things. I challenged it. I challenged with little knowledge or lack of knowledge. I challenged because my positive point is that I don't know it. I am not expert. Krishna never said detachment in everything. He said, never get detached from the work. You get detached from the result only. And he said, you do the work, you have the right, but you don't have right. You give the result to me, he said. He give the result to me. You do the work, result mujhe de do. Some people say, why are you to give the result? Then on this concept, I met some doctors who are researching on AIMS. Please listen. Some doctors researching in AIMS, I met some of them or their friends. They said, we are researching not on medical science, we are researching on the patient of cardiology, the heart patient. We are researching on them. There is different type of research is there. Na? After MBA, you can do a lot of research in future also. I don't know what research you will be doing, but definitely even if you don't do PhD, you will be doing a lot of research. This is a part of life, research. You work in a multinational, you may be put in a research, you do research this way. So, research is a part of the life, everybody does it. So, they are researching on the effect of Bhagavad Gita on the patient who are suffering from cardiac problem. Have you ever heard it? In AIMS, hospital like AIMS, Delhi, they researched. So, what they are researching, the cardiology patients are there. So, they explain this is the meaning of Bhagavad Gita, this is the meaning of the slok, that way. And they observe, they are getting some peace in mind, and its peace is working more than medicine. This is possible, you shall find these things. So, so what Krishna said, you do the work, you have the right the work and give the result to me. So, समझने का कोशिश करो, why Krishna said, let me explain. Suppose you have right of the work and you have right of the result, suppose work is yours and result is yours, सब तुम्हारा है, is thinking that way. What will happen? If work is good, result is good, and you shall be proud, you shall be having ego. Ulta. Suppose if work is good and result is bad, you shall be depressed, isn't it? You will be depressed, and that depression will kill you. Both ego and depression will destroy you. How scientific thing, at the end of the core of the mind of the, you have to think that way, not what we see this way. Andar mein socho. Lord Krishna how said, you do the work and give me the result. If good, give me, bad, give me. Then what will happen? You don't go by the result, then you work more, next quarter, next, and the world will develop. How scientific thing. Hope I could explain this, my feelings. And why I have started this way, I don't know. But when I started this it's very much relevant to my lecture today. I didn't think I will be starting this way, but I feel this may is connected with my lecture. Sir, you are teaching accountancy, how are connecting this thing? It's there. Accountancy, commerce is not beyond Bhagavad Gita. There is something eternal. You cannot go beyond that. You can ignore it. You may not read it, may not respect it, but you see you are affected by that. Just like even if you don't go to the sun will affect you. Sun will affect you wherever you stay. Anyway, so you have to work. Now, today I will be starting accountancy in such a way, you see you will be enjoying these things. Whatever English you have learnt in past, English, there are 3 tenses you have learnt, 3 tenses, there are 3 tenses, 3 tenses. One is present, one is past, one is future. Do not take any tension to remember anything, just listen. Do not take tension of any exam, just listen. Do not think anything else, just enjoy my class, what I am teaching. Have you ever heard that English is taught in management accountancy? No, no. Maybe language you have learnt, this is a different thing, but how I am teaching, you may be finding it interesting. So, everybody knows it, past, present and future, everybody knows it, and I am connecting with today's lecture. See, whatever happened in past is past, and whatever will happen in future is future, but I do not think anything present. I am not finding anything present, I am not finding, not for English language. Do not write in English paper, do not teach your youngsters that there is no present tense, but enjoy what I am saying. How can there be present? Present is a connecting point between past and future. Present is a connecting point, past and future. These 2 things are most important, and present is a connecting only these 2. Nothing is there, nothing. The moment you say present, gone. The moment you say present, gone. Just for this, my lecture you will assume that way, do not assume for English grammar, and you will find logic in me, in what am I talking, you will find logic. If you do not find, then you talk to me. Present, gone. Harshit came, Harshit has come, you have come, gone, finished. So, in accountancy, remember there are 2 tenses only. Do not write these things, many people will not understand and they will cut your marks in exam. But what is the problem with teacher and student enjoy something in this thinking way, and I will not say anything which is illogical. If you find illogical, talk to me. See, there are 2 things, one is past, one is future. You think of first semester whatever I taught, I gave you 50 journals and 80 journals, more journals I gave. You gave balance sheet, I gave, you gave cash flow statement, I gave the question. I have given question of cash book, I give the question of purchases book, sales book, bank reconciliation, remember those things? Just think for a fraction of a second, how was this? Ram started business, Sham paid money, Harip sold goods, received money, paid money, all past tenses were there. Think of the questions, just I thought, okay. See, all transactions, whatever I have given, all were past tense. Think, for a fraction of a second you think, one whole semester you think, Vishal, last semester, you think whatever question you give in accounts, they are past tense. I have never gave the Ram will purchase goods, I will never gave. Purchased, sold, received, paid, incurred, balance sheet of last year, not balance sheet of future year. कैसे लग रहा है? How is it? Whatever I taught, all were past tense. I can say with very boldly. So many chapters you have learnt are all past tense. Cash book, prepare the cash book of the transaction of last February or last, all past. Cash flow statement or purchase, all past. Dear students, you remember today, whatever transactions had happened in past, that we record in an accounting. इतना तक इसमें देता हूँ, that we record in an accounting, and that accounting is known as financial accounting. Whatever account transactions we happen in past, we record in an accounting, that is financial accounting. Any problem? Last semester, whatever I taught, whatever, all things comes in financial accounting, past. I'll take your question later. All come to financial accounting, past, past, past. Now present I ignored, because present is not the asset for logic sake, for just debate. I'll take all your questions, don't worry, all your questions. Let me finish first. And now one very important question I'll be asking you. I asked in Assam, I asked in Mumbai, I asked in Pune, I asked in Bangkok, I asked in Singapore, and I got the same answer. I'll ask you today. Two options are there. This future, two options are there. Rahul, what I have written? What I have written? Don't talk in between, please. Please bear. So, Harshit, future I have given two options. Which is correct according to you? Future is certain, future is uncertain. Future uncertain. There is nothing to ask even, no? Everybody can read this, and I request all of you to keep quiet now, because don't worry that I will not escape your questions, never. But now you listen to me. I will take everybody's question, because I wait for questions, and I wait for those questions which I am not comfortable to answer, because you know that will make my knowledge better. I mean, that will compel me to study more. I even invite those questions we cannot answer, and what I can answer, it's okay only. So don't worry. With me, don't worry. Never worry with me. Anything in accountancy. Okay. Future is Rahul. Nandini Bhartiya, Nandini Chaurashia. Nandini Bhartiya कौन है? Gone. छुट्टी में है. Okay. So Nandini Chaurashia. Future is Galina. Both. You cannot say both. You take one option. Uncertain. That's why sir is asking this question. Vishal, future is? Mallika, Pal. आप तो पहले बोल दिया पीछे में अच्छा अरे so please don't talk in the class. I'll give you rest, don't talk. बात है इसमें बहुत कुछ है. टीचिंग ओनली इससे ये नहीं है, तो टीचिंग कनेक्टिविटी इधर उधर. ओके. So everybody accepted future is uncertain, and there is nothing to ask also. Is established fact, is universal truth, nothing to ask about. Why sir is taking the example, I don't know. Okay then, but uncertain. Future is, bolo, future is, this is absolutely wrong, and I am not joking. This is absolutely wrong, and I am not joking. This is my way of thinking I am sharing with you, and you are all not even IIT, you are above master degree you are doing, and I have not come to joke with you. How can I joke with you on these things? But I can prove it. I have guts to prove it. You are not even this IIT level, you are above that, masters, PG. Future is answered absolutely wrong. कभी सुना ही नहीं सर. सर तो आप पहले बोल दे कृष्ण नेवर सेड डोंट थिंक ऑफ द रिजल्ट. अपने प्रूफ कर देना थोड़ा पहले. वीडियो में है और से देख लेना. वीडियो में है, देख लेना पहले कैसे कृष्ण कब बोला है. एवरीबॉडी सेज काम का चिंता मत करो, ये गलत है. मैं वीडियो में बोल दे, देख लेना. अभी आई एम सेइंग द फ्यूचर इज uncertain, absolutely wrong. I can challenge all over the world. I can challenge. I'm not joking. And your आँख में जो कैटरेक्ट ऑपरेशन होता है ना, आँख जो ऑपरेशन करके आई एम डूइंग इट विथ यू, सर्जरी. आपको आँख का सर्जरी करेगा. अभी आज शुरू करता हूँ सर्जरी का काम. फ्यूचर इज एब्सोल्युटली सर्टेन, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव इट. फ्यूचर इज एब्सोल्युटली सर्टेन. लेट मी राइट इट. थोड़ा सा दिखा दो राहुल, थोड़ा सा देख रहे हैं मुझे. गुड बॉय. फ्यूचर इज, मजा आ गया. एब्सोल्युटली, ये बड़ा दे दिया. एब्सोल्यूट, कोई बात नहीं करेगा प्लीज, इज ए रिक्वेस्ट. एब्सोल्युटली. नंदिनी, फ्यूचर इज एब्सोल्युटली सर्टेन. ये सर क्या जोक कर रहा है सुबह सुबह, पहला क्लास में से पहला क्लास में जोक लगा दिया। सर हम लोग को थोड़ा एंटरटेन कर रहा है। नो, इट्स नॉट एंटरटेनमेंट क्लास, वो तो दूसरा होता है। फ्यूचर इज एब्सोल्युटली सर्टेन टू हैपन, बट what will happen in future is uncertain। बोलो कहाँ गलती किया है, कहाँ गलती किया? देखो मैंने नाम भी लिख दिया। Future is absolutely certain to happen, but what will happen in future, that is uncertain। बोलो कहाँ गलती बोला, हिम्मत है तो बोल दो। मैं लिख दिया future is absolutely certain to happen, but what will happen in future is uncertain। किसने बोला, किसने बोला? आज क्या बार है, what day is today? Any doubt कि Tuesday may not be coming? Any doubt? Today is what month? September. Any doubt this time October may not come? This time December may not come? Nandini, what is the year this now? Now? Any doubt 2030 is not coming? Any doubt 2040 is not coming? Any doubt 2047 is not coming? Viksit Bharat. Any doubt 2026 is not coming? Any doubt? Absolutely certain to happen, but what will happen in future, that is uncertain। नंदी कुछ गलती बोला मल्लिका, मजा आया? So you have accepted future is absolutely certain। अगर फ्यूचर अनसर्टेन होता, जैसे तुम लोग बोला है, जैसे मुंबई में मेरा स्टूडेंट लोग बोला है, मुंबई में भासी में एक कॉलेज, क्या उसका नाम, कर्मवीर भावराव पटेल, उनका नाम में बहुत बड़ा बड़ा कॉलेज, उसमें मैं लेक्चर देने गया था। उसमें बोला था ऑल बच्चा से पैक्ड अप, MBA का बच्चा था, बोला से आंसर ऐसे ही बोला था जैसे तुम बोला है, हर जगह में, आउटसाइड इंडिया में ऐसे ही बोला, एंड आई चैलेंज इट। ठीक है, अगर फ्यूचर अनसर्टेन होता, देयर वुड हैव बीन नो प्रॉब्लम। हैड फ्यूचर बीन अनसर्टेन, देयर वुड हैव बीन नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज 2030 may not come, so क्यों काम करना है? 2026 आएगा नहीं, ठीक नहीं है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, so why working? Next Sunday may not come, why planning? है कि नहीं? Since, next dialogue, since, धीरे धीरे बोलेगा, everybody listen, गली ना। Since future is certain to happen, please listen to my dialogue, beautiful dialogue देगा अभी, और फिल्मी डायलॉग से ज़्यादा अच्छा देगा मैं। Since future is absolutely, इसको काट के फिर लिखो, काट को फिर करो, इसको काट के यही डायलॉग लेगा, काट के फिर दे देगा।